CIET NCERT presents audiobook MathMagic 1 Textbook in Mathematics for Class 1 Chapter 1 Part 1 Page 1 Shapes and Space Inside, Outside Audio note for teachers. Dear teachers, provide touch-based, tactile, smell-based, olfactory experiences as far as possible. If touching of real objects is not possible, provide model and replicas as close to real life as possible. Audio note for students. Dear children, Chapter 1 of MathMagic textbook in mathematics begins with the story of a traveler named Arab and his camel. You know, children, camel is a large animal that speaks like camel is found in deserts and is used as a means of transport to take people and goods from one place to another. Let's begin reading page number 1. Inside, outside.
Page 1 has a small picture of Arab. Next to the word Arab, a small picture of camel. Next to word camel, and a small picture of tent. Next to word tent. Tent is a shelter made of clothes which are held up by poles and ropes. This page also has a big picture of a tent with Arab sitting inside tent and camel sitting outside. Let's hear the story of the Arab and his camel.
The Arab and his camel. It was a cold winter day. The Arab was traveling on the camel's back. At night, the Arab pitched his tent and went inside it. The camel was outside.
The camel asked Arab,
May I put my neck inside? It is too cold outside.
Arab replied to camel,
Okay, you may put your neck inside. Page 2.
This page has 3 pictures. In picture 1, Arab is sitting inside tent and camel's neck is also inside tent. A speech bubble shows camel asking,
May I put my front legs inside? It is too cold outside.
Another speech bubble shows Arab's reply.
Okay, you may put your front legs inside.
Picture 2 shows surprised Arab and camel's one front leg inside tent. A speech bubble shows camel asking,
Can I come inside? It is too cold outside.
Arab replies,
Oh no, the tent is too small for the both of us.
In picture 3, camel is sleeping inside the tent and Arab is sitting outside the tent. The speech bubble shows camel speaking,
So, I am coming inside and you go outside. Page 3. Bigger and smaller.
On this page, there are 4 pictures. Each picture has a pair of animal or objects of different sizes. You have to identify the bigger and smaller from the pair. Before reading this page, let's become familiar with the animals and objects. Animal 1. Hippopotamus.
Hippopotamus is a very big animal with small, thick legs.
Animal 2. Dog.
Dog is a pet animal and its size may be smaller or bigger than you.
Animal 3. Squirrel.
Squirrel squeaks like. Squirrel is a small animal that lives mostly on trees. And if you are able to catch one, you can keep it easily on your palm.
Animal 4. Cow.
Cow is bigger in size than you and it gives milk.
Object 1. Banana leaf.
Banana leaf is large in size and you can't hold it in your one hand.
Object 2. Neem leaf.
Neem leaf is small in size and you can comfortably keep more than one neem leaves in your palm.
Object 3. A tire.
A tire is a circular object that can be made of wood, rubber, or metal. Tire is mostly used in vehicles. Picture 1 on page 3 shows a hippopotamus and a dog.
Question 1. Which one is bigger, a hippopotamus or a dog? Identify and tick mark the bigger animal.
Picture 2 shows a banana leaf and a neem leaf.
Question 2. Which leaf is smaller, a banana leaf or a neem leaf? Identify and tick mark the smaller leaf.
Picture 3 shows a squirrel and a cow.
Question 3. Which animal is smaller, a squirrel or a cow? Identify and tick mark the smaller animal.
Picture 4 shows two children rolling one tire each with the help of their own sticks.
Question 4. Which tire is bigger, the car tire or the cycle tire? Identify and tick mark the bigger tire.
Page 4. Biggest and smallest.
On this page, there are 4 pictures. Each picture has more than 2 different sized trees, animals, fruits, and objects. From each picture, we need to identify the biggest and the smallest. Before reading this page, let's become familiar with the objects and animals shown on this page. Object 1. Trees.
Trees are tall plants that have a hard stem, branches, and leaves. They are different in sizes. Some are very big and some are small.
Object 2. Watermelon.
A watermelon is a large oval-shaped fruit. Its size is equal or bigger than a football.
Object 3. Mango.
A mango is a fruit which has a sweet fragrance. You can easily hold one mango in your hands.
Object 4. Cherries.
Cherries are small round fruit and you will be easily able to hold more than one cherry in your palm.
Object 5. Bubbles.
Bubbles are small balls that can be made from soapy liquid.
Animal 1. Elephant.
An elephant is a very big animal. It has huge ears and it eats fruits, vegetables, leaves and grass.
Animal 2. Cat.
A cat is a small animal and much smaller in size than you. On page 4, picture 1 shows 3 trees of different sizes.
Question 1. Identify and tick mark the smallest tree.
Picture 2 shows an elephant, a dog, and a cat.
Question 2. Identify and tick mark the biggest animal.
Picture 3 shows a watermelon, a mango, and a cherry.
Question 3. Identify and tick mark the smallest fruit.
Picture 4 shows a boy blowing soap bubbles. 4 bubbles are shown.
Question 4. Identify and tick mark the biggest bubble.
Page 5. Top, bottom.
This page is divided into 2 parts. Each part has 2 pictures. In each picture, we need to identify the objects at the top and the bottom. Before reading this page, let's become familiar with objects and words on this page. Word 1. Top.
The highest point of any object or place is called top.
Word 2. Bottom.
The lowest point of any object or place is called bottom.
Object 1. Ladder.
Ladder is also called stairs. It is used for climbing up and down.
Object 2. Slides.
Slides are a type of swing in which children climb ladders from one side to reach the top of a ramp and slide down to reach bottom.
Object 3. Pot.
A pot is an earthen vessel, and the person who makes a pot is called potter.
Object 4. Bird.
Bird is a small animal that has wings, feathers, and it can fly. On page 5, part 1. Picture 1 shows a slide with 3 children at different places of the slide. Child 1 is standing at the lowest step, that is, the bottom of the stairs, ready to climb up. The second child is seated at the top of the slide, ready to slide down. The third child is at the bottom of the slide. All children look happy.
Picture 2 shows a tree at some distance from the slide. A bird is sitting at the top of the tree and a cat is sitting at the bottom of the tree.
Page 5, part 2, picture 1 shows a potter with 3 pots of different sizes kept one over the other. The smallest pot is kept at the top. The biggest pot is kept at the bottom.
Question 1. Identify and tick mark the pot at the top.
Page 5, part 2, picture 2 shows 2 animals, a dog and a cat. Cat is at the top step of the stairs, and a dog is at the bottom of the stairs.
Question 2. Identify and tick mark the animal at the bottom of the stairs.
You were just listening to this chapter. Production assistants Jagbandhu CIET NCERT presents audiobook MathMagic 1 Textbook in Mathematics for Class 1 Chapter 1 Part 2 Page 6 Nearer, Farther.
Page 6 is divided into 2 parts. Each part has a picture and a question related to nearer and farther. Before reading this page, let's become familiar with objects and animals on this page. Object 1. House.
House is a place where we live.
Animal 1. Rat.
Rat is a small animal with 4 legs and a tail. Picture 1 shows a house with two trees on either side of the house and two birds flying. One bird is nearer to the roof of the house and the second one is a little far away.
Question 1. Identify and tick mark the bird nearer to the home.
Picture 2 shows a rat at the bottom of tree and two cats. Cat 1 is running towards the tree and cat 2 is hiding behind some stones farther from the tree.
Question 2. Identify and tick mark the cat farther from the tree.
Page 7. Nearest, farthest.
Page 7 is divided into 3 parts. Each part has a picture and a question related to nearest and farthest. Before reading this page, let's become familiar with objects and animals on this page. Object 1. Swing.
A swing has a seat tied to ropes and it moves repeatedly forward and backward.
Animal 1. Puppy.
The baby dog is called a puppy. Page 7, picture 1 shows a swing tied from the branch of a tree and 3 children, 2 girls and a boy, at different distances, happily rushing towards the tree. A boy is nearest to the swing. Girl 1 with balloon walking and pointing to swing, and girl 2 walking towards swing from the farthest distance. Picture 2 shows a tree and 4 puppies running one after the other towards the tree.
Question 1. Identify and tick mark the puppy farthest from the tree.
Picture 3 shows 3 trees on the ground and a bird flying in the sky.
Question 2. Identify and tick mark the tree nearest to the bird.
Page 8. On, under, above, below. This page has a picture spread across the whole page. The picture shows a classroom with 6 children, 3 tables, 2 benches, 1 cat and 2 rats. 1 cat is sitting on table 1 and rat 1 is hiding under this table. 1 girl and a boy are sitting on bench 1. A boy is under table 2 and another boy is standing on this table. A girl is sitting on bench 2. A boy is sitting on table 3. There is 1 ceiling fan above the table and all the children, animals and furniture is below the fan. A notice board is on the wall. 1 water bottle and 2 bags are lying on the floor near table 1 and table 3. 1 open book is lying on the floor near table 1. Rat 2 is running on the floor and water bottle 2 is lying on the floor and water is spilling from it. And book 2 near the water bottle is getting wet.
Question. Identify and tick mark the children on the table and cross mark the children under table.
Page 9.
This page has a picture of activities happening near well in a village. Well is a water resource for utilizing groundwater. The picture is spread across whole page.
In this picture, there is a big tree, 4 women, 4 children, 3 boys and a girl, a bullock cart with driver, and 2 bullocks and few houses spread across the page. A bird is sitting on the tree branch just above the well. Two women carrying two earthen pots each are standing near the well waiting for their turn. Woman 3 is fetching water from the well with the help of a bucket tied to the rope and pulley. One girl and two boys are playing with marbles near the well. Woman 4 is going away from the well. She has kept one pot on her head, far from the well. On the road, there is a bullock cart carrying bundle of hay, and boy 3 is lying at the top of the hay. Some houses and trees are shown at the top of the hill. They are looking small as they are far from the well.
Note for the teacher. The teacher needs to discuss the concept of near, far and top, bottom.
Page 10. Shapes around us.
This page is divided into two parts. Each part has one picture. Before beginning to read this page, let's become familiar with the shapes mentioned on this page. Shape 1. Round.
Round is a shape like a ball.
Shape 2. Cube.
Cube is like a dice. Page 10, picture 1 shows a boy and a girl sitting on the floor. Many objects of round and cube shapes like a football, orange, balloon, tomato, chalk box, cake box and gift box in the background. The boy has a pink box in front of him and the girl has a yellow box in front of her. The boy is holding a cube-shaped object in his hand and a dice is in his pink box. The girl is holding a round-shaped object in her hand and a ball is in her yellow box.
Activity 1. Put the shapes in the pink and yellow boxes by drawing a line.
Picture 2 shows 8 objects of round and cube shapes. Gift box, cake box, ball and tomato are inside a 4-sided closed space. Dice, ball, balloon and chalk box are outside the closed space.
Activity 2. Match similar shapes by drawing a line. One example is given for you in the picture. A dice is matched with a cake box of similar shape. Now you have to match other similar shapes.
Page 11. Sorting.
This page is divided into two parts. Each part has a picture. Before reading this page, let's become familiar with the objects and shapes on this page. Shape 1. Cylinder.
Cylinder shape is like a candle or pencil.
Shape 2. Cone.
Cone shape is like a birthday cap or tip of the pencil. Page 10, picture 1 shows a boy is standing with a chart in his hand. The chart has a picture of cylinder, cube, round and a cone. The space outside is filled with objects like thermos, red cube, round fruit, paper roll, cylindrical box, gift box, cell or battery, ball, ice cream cone, birthday cap, balloon, brick, matchstick, watermelon, candle and cone.
Activity 1. Sort shapes by joining with similar shapes. One example is given for you. A battery is matched with a cylindrical shape. Now you have to match the similar shapes.
Picture 2 shows water bottle, paper roll, watermelon, softy cone, tomato, brick, drum, and a keep in four-sided closed space. Cricket ball, cylindrical tiffin box, cubicle gift box, birthday cap, cell, balloon, candle, and paper cone are outside this closed space.
Activity 2. Make pairs of similar shapes. One example is given for you. A birthday cap is matched with an ice cream cone. Now you have to match the similar shapes.
Page 12. Rolling and sliding.
This page is divided into 3 parts. Each part has a picture and a question. Before beginning to read this page, let's become familiar with the few objects on this page. Object 1. Onion.
Onion is a small round vegetable with a peculiar smell.
Object 2. Butterbox.
Butterbox is a small cuboid-shaped packet that contains butter.
Object 3. Cucumber.
Cucumber is a cylindrical-shaped vegetable that is mostly eaten as a salad.
Object 4. Suitcase.
Suitcase is a cuboidal-shaped box with handle and lock. Page 12, picture 1 shows 2 slides. A boy is sitting at the top of slide 1 and a ball is rolling down. Another boy and a girl are standing near the slide. This girl is holding a ball in her hand. On slide 2, a girl is sitting on the top and a small box is sliding on the slide. Another girl and a boy are standing near the slide. Picture 2 shows 4 objects: a pencil, a football, a butter box, and an onion.
Question 1. Identify and tick mark the object that will roll.
Picture 3 shows 4 objects: a cucumber, a tomato, a suitcase, and a battery.
Question 2. Identify and tick mark the objects that will slide.
You were just listening. CIET NCERT presents audiobook MathMagic 1, textbook in mathematics for class 1, chapter 1, part 3, page 13, Wise Grandmother.
This page is divided into 5 parts. Each part has a picture. The pictures and text on this page narrate the story of Wise Grandmother. Before beginning to read the story, let's become familiar with the animals and objects in the story. Animal 1. Lamb.
Lamb is a baby sheep.
Animal 2. Sheep.
Sheep is a 4-legged animal with lot of fluffy thick covering on the body.
Animal 3. Wolf.
Wolf is a 4-legged wild animal, bigger than the sheep.
Object 1. Dholak.
Dholak is a drum-shaped musical instrument. It has a sound like. Dholak has empty space inside and both sides are covered with thick cloth. Let's hear the story and see the pictures. Once there was a lamb going to see his grandmother.
Picture 1 shows a lamb walking on the road and a tree is on the side of the road.
On the way through the jungle, he met a wolf.
Picture 2 shows a wolf staring at the lamb and thinking of eating the lamb. The speech bubble next to wolf says,
I am going to eat you.
In picture 3, lamb and wolf are sitting in front of each other and talking. The lamb says,
Please, let me go. I'm going to meet my grandmother. You can eat me when I return.
The wolf says,
Okay, you may go.
When he was about to return, he told his grandmother about the wolf.
Picture 4 shows lamb and grandmother standing in front of each other and talking.
The grandmother gave him an idea.
Go and hide yourself in a dholak.
He did so.
Picture 5 shows lamb going inside dholak and grandma looking at him.
Page 14.
This page has 4 pictures and the story continues.
The grandmother rolled the dholak on the road. The dholak started rolling down.
Picture 1 shows dholak rolling on the road.
The lamb saw the wolf waiting for him.
The wolf asked dholak.
Did you see a lamb coming this way?
Dholak replied.
No.
Picture 2 shows a picture of wolf talking to dholak.
The wolf grew suspicious and started running behind the dholak.
Picture 3 shows the wolf running behind the dholak and the lamb coming out of dholak and quickly moving towards his home.
Before the wolf could catch him, the lamb reached his home and was thankful to his grandmother.
Picture 4 shows the wolf sitting on the road and staring at the lamb that is safely inside his home and peeping out of the window.
Page 15. Shapes.
This page is divided into 2 parts, left side and right side with a dotted line in the middle.
5 shapes of different sizes are shown on the left side. The same shapes are shown on the right side, but the sequence is different. Shape number 1 from the left side is matched with shape number 3 on the right side, as their sizes are the same.
Question on this page. Match the shapes of same sizes.
Page 16.
This page is divided into 2 parts, left side and right side with a dotted line in the middle.
6 different shapes are shown on the left side. The same shapes are shown on the right side, but the sequence is different. Shape number 4 from the left side is matched with shape number 2 on the right side, as they are the same.
Question on this page.
Match the same shapes. Page 17.
This page is divided into 4 parts. Each part has pictures of different shapes and sizes. Question on this page is, color the smallest shape. Picture 1 shows,
3 squares of different sizes.
picture 2 shows,
3 circles or rounds of different sizes.
picture 3 shows,
3 triangles of different sizes.
picture 4 shows.
3 pentagon of different sizes.
Question on this page.
Color the smallest shape. Page 18. Join the similar shapes.
This page has 8 pictures of smiling faces made with rounds, cylinder, square, and triangles. Each face has the rest of the body made from these shapes but smaller in sizes than the faces. Face 1,
Triangle shape.
face 2,
Rectangle shape.
face 3,
Round shape.
face 4,
Cylinder shape.
face 5,
Rectangle shape.
face 6,
Triangle shape.
Face 7.
Cylinder shape.
Face 8.
Round shape. Face 2 is matched with face 5 by drawing a line, as both the faces have the same rectangular shapes.
Question on this page. Join the similar shapes.
Page 19.
This page is divided into two parts. Each part has one picture.
Picture 1 shows a house made with rectangles, circles, and squares of different sizes. The sun, drawn with a circle, is shown shining in the sky. 5 trees are drawn with triangles and rectangles. 1 tree at either side of the house, and 3 trees are far from the house near the hills. Hills are triangular in shape. At the left side of the house, there is a lamp post which is drawn with the rectangle and the circle. At the bottom right side, 3 small flowers are made with the help of small circles and triangles.
Question 1. Color the triangles in green, circles in red, and rectangles in blue color.
Picture 2 shows a boat floating in the river near the mountains. Boat is made of triangles and rectangles of different sizes. Fishes swimming in the river are made of circles and triangles. Mountains are made of triangles. Water plants are made of triangles.
Question 2. Color the triangles in green, circles in pink, and rectangles in yellow color.
Page 20.
This page has a picture of a butterfly and a fish.
Picture 1. Butterfly. Butterfly has an oval-shaped body, 2 triangle-shaped wings, 1 each on either side of the body. The eye and the antennas of the butterfly are made of circle shape.
Question 1. Make similar figures using the shape kit given at the back of this book.
Picture 2. Fish. Fish has a big circle-shaped body, a small circle for an eye, and triangle-shaped tail and fins. 3 small circle-shaped water bubbles are shown near the fish's mouth.
Question 2. Make similar figures using the shape kit given at the back of this book.
You were just listening to this chapter.